Yeah, my life has been quite up and down, but I think that has been the learning which I really enjoyed.
So my question to you is, over the years, we witnessed various stages of your journey, from the dynamic and raw talent in 2015 to 2017 to the more refined injury-affected phase. And now, throughout the Champions Trophy, you've displayed a new level of maturity and leadership. So now, as the captain of Mumbai Indians, how would you describe Hardik Pandya 3.0, and what do you envision for your continued growth, both as a player and a leader, and what surprises can we expect from you?
I mean, quickly I can, yeah, my life has been quite up and down, but I think that has been the learning which I really enjoyed. It has just not taught me about the sport, it has taught me about life as well, that how life would be over the years. Um, yeah, I mean, this year it's a fresh year, 366 days. As you mentioned, a lot of things have changed, a lot of love and joy, and a lot of things are added. So, yeah, I mean, 3.0 would be, I mean, every year I think it has become a point 0 added, but this year it will be same. There will be always passion. There will be always grit. There will be always challenges, which I love, and I think. For me, the crucial part would be to make sure that the challenges are not the way how they've been thrown at me, but to my boys, if the challenges are thrown, how I can help them and fight their way out. So for me, that this year the challenges and the excitement part is that how can I add more value to all the players who are there, and yeah, my journey will keep continue. I'm here.
My question to you is, how is your confidence currently? And all the murmurs have stopped. In the last 2 years, there were questions about whether Hardik Pandya can play. And also with Rohit Sharma being the previous captain and you taking over, now you come in with a different kind of confidence, having won the Champions Trophy and now going on to lead the Mumbai Indians as well. So what are you feeling, or what exactly are you going through right now at this point?
No, I'm very confident. I was confident back then. I was confident when I was playing Champions Trophy. I'm confident now. So, if you ask me about my confidence, it's always going to be high. And yeah, that's it. That's the answer, I guess.
Hi, Hardik.
Question, I think that is out of my control. Last year, what occurred was part of the sport. We bowled, I think, 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes late the last over, and at that point of time, I didn't know the consequences, what can happen. But yeah, I mean, it is unfortunate, but I think rule says it. That means I have to go with the process. Next year, do they continue, not continue? I think that is on the higher authorities. They can definitely see into it what best can be done, and see how we can take it forward.